Hello everyone, I'm sitting here in the dark in my classroom. Today we are going to do this. We are going to make chords with Chrome Music Lab. This is a great activity for fifth graders or really any age making music. We're using specifically Chrome Music Lab Songmaker. We're going to navigate together to it in just a couple minutes. Here's an example of one of my students today. This is what they did in today's activity. That was their song. Great job. What I asked them to do today was create a song in Songmaker that uses chords. So let's go to it together here. We're going to go to Chrome Music Songmaker, and we're going to do that so you can see the screen a little bit better. So you're going to go to Chrome Music Lab, find the way on your browser, Chrome Music Lab, and click on that, Chrome Music, and it pulls up the 14 different experiments or games in Chrome Music Lab. Today, we're going to use the one called Songmaker. Our goal specifically today is to make some sort of a song with chords. All right, another name. Okay, so let's just start by doing our solfeggio here. So we have do, re, mi, and then fa, and then so. Do the hand signs with me. La, ti, and finally do. Starting with the red one, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. All right, and you notice do here is red here at the bottom, and then at the top where we come up to do again. So there's our scale, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Let's do the same thing, but I'm gonna add a chord here. I'm gonna take that red note, go every other note going up, red, yellow, green. I'm going to go to the next note, orange note, which is the D note, or re, orange, green, blue, then yellow, green, pink, etc. Every other note, and I'm creating chords here, C chord, D minor, E minor, and F, okay? And then I'm going to finish with back to the first chord. Let's hear what that sounds like. Excellent, good. Now I can move the notes around and it's still a chord. So let's take our second chord, the orange chord here, the D minor, and I'm going to take the orange note and I'm going to move it up an octave and remove it there. I'm going to take the blue note and also put that up an octave and remove it from here. We still have three notes, and so we still have our chord, or if we have three notes, we say triad. Hold up three fingers and say triad, triad, like a triangle. Okay, let's change one other chord here. How about this one? We'll move the green note up, light green. So, oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. Green note there, and so we still have that triad. And just for fun, I'm going to move this red note up, and let's hear that. Okay, still have triads or chords in this part of our song. Right in there, that part of the song. Okay, I'm going to change it a little bit in settings here so I can get more notes. I'm going to go to the settings part in the lower right. That looks like a bike gear. And I am going to go to the range here and make it three octaves instead of two. And I'm going to check, and that will make sure the changes are there. So now I have three octaves to work with instead of two. I'm now going to add a little bit of melody here. I'm going to add a little melodic pattern, just three, something like that, okay? And let's hear what that sounds like. Good. Let's add a couple more chords here to complete it. We will finish with the C chord. No, that's just, nope, green, and I need a third. There we go. Okay, so there is our final chord. Let's we'll put our green chord, the G chord here, and we are gonna need a third. I'll just do root position. And one more here, how about that? Let's see what that sounds like. Okay, so there we go. We've got a melody up high, chords down below, and finally, let's add a little beat pattern here. And play. Okay, and now if I really wanted to fancy it up, I could go into settings and change some things. I could change my scale, start on different notes. I'm just for fun. I'm gonna, right now those beats are split into 2. I'm gonna fancy it up just for fun, change it to split into 4. So now we'll be able to do some 16th notes. It allows me to do a fancier rhythm. So, and let's do that, and let's see what that sounds like. Okay, so there you go. So we took a song, we wrote some chords in it, we added a melody up high, and we added a beat. So there's the basics of doing a song in Chrome Music Songmaker. I'm not asking you to copy mine. I just wanted to show you how you can use chords to make a song, an original song. Okay, thanks everyone for hanging with me in the dark here, and I hope that helps. Have a great day.